A cool fact about the Tesla Cybertruck is its bulletproof exoskeleton. The body of the Cybertruck is made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, which Tesla claims is so strong that it can withstand impacts from objects like sledgehammers and even bullets. During the truck's reveal event, Tesla famously demonstrated the durability of the truck's windows by attempting to throw a metal ball at them. Though the windows didn't pass the test as planned, the truck's body itself is designed to be incredibly tough, making it one of the most durable vehicles on the market. This rugged design, combined with Tesla's electric drivetrain, gives the Cybertruck both off-road capability and a unique, futuristic look.